Welcome back. NCP has strongly criticized BJP and Deputy CM Francis D'Souza. NCP has alleged BJP of being a communal party. Spokesperson of NCP, Trajano De Mello, has asked Deputy CM to step down and stop being used by communal forces. Trajano has demanded that the CM should explain the reason for being silent on the drugs nexus issue.
This Deputy Chief Minister, having eyes cannot see and having ears cannot hear the cries of lakhs of people of Goa who say that this is nothing but a communal party. The church has never said which is a communal party. The church has said, vote for your conscience. I am charging that the coastal MLAs belong to the BJP, and the coastal MLA has made a remark, has made a statement on the floor of the house that the drugs trade is thriving and the Home Minister has totally failed. Therefore, the nexus, if was existing, has transferred to the present Home Minister. If was existing, I think he should explain. Home Minister has to explain to the people of Goa as to why he is silent when his own MLA says that it has reached a stage where even young children have started having drugs.
The efforts to mobilize revenues for the City Corporation of Panji have brought down the deficit significantly. CCF accepts zero deficits in couple of years. Commissioner Sanjit Rodriguez has said that the increased waste generation may lead to raising waste collection charges for Panjikars and commercial establishments. CCP is now looking for a revenue leap for the new fiscal. Corporation has proposed a contract with the market tenants on the market rates.
We have looked up in terms of revenues for the last financial year. This year we are trying to keep up the tempo, and maybe by this coming fiscal we would wipe out our revenue deficit which was there. A deficit of 15 crores which was projected after cleaning up the accounts of the corporation last year. We have brought down the deficit to around 9.4 crores. In this budget, not raised any levels of taxation. On all fronts, taxation has been kept at the same level, whereas efficiency in collection is proposed in terms of recovery drives, etc., which would give in an increased income, which would finally result in spending in terms of works as well as in sanitation. At the moment we are not raising any fees, but considering increase in waste generation would result in increase in fees. So it is directly commensurate to the waste generated by the outlet.
CCP has also proposed for a collection of fees for computation of rates for market tenants. The draft contract will be forwarded to the government for its assent.
A draft agreement to be signed with the market tenants has been approved by the corporation. It has gone through legal vetting through the corporation's lawyers, and it has been sent to the government.
Omkar Falari for Prudent. The High Court has granted time to the National Investigating Agency to amend the petition challenging acquittal of all 6 accused in 2009 Margam blast case. The High Court has granted NIA 1 week's time to place some additional documents on record with its present plea. NIA in its appeal filed before the High Court has contended that the trial court did not evaluate and analyze the evidence properly in this case. The High Court on Tuesday granted National Investigating Agency 1 week's time to amend the petition and place on record some additional documents in its present petition. NIA has challenged judgment of Special NIA Court acquitting 6 arrested accused in 2009 Margam blast case. The High Court is yet to issue notices to all the respondents in this matter. NIA in its appeal filed before the High Court has pleaded to set aside judgment of Special NIA Court in the blast case. Special NIA Court at Mapsa in its judgment dated 31st December 2013, while giving clean chit to accused Vinay Talekar, Vinayak Patil, Dhananjay Ashtekar, Dilip Mangaonkar, Prashant Ashtekar and Prashant Zuvekar, had also dismissed charges of Sanatan Sanstha's role in the blast. The bomb blast had occurred in a scooter on 16th October 2009 during Narkasur competition in Margao, which claimed 2 lives. NIA in its petition filed before the High Court has pointed out that the trial court failed to evaluate and analyze the evidences properly. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.